That's a prior support, resistance, support, and this is where we bottomed here in early part of this month when we did see a huge downturn. You can see right here. So that 389, 390 level is an important pivot that bulls must hold if they want to survive this month. Not to mention, we got the rising uptrend support right here. Ladies and gentlemen, Kim here. Welcome to the daily update. Hope you guys had a good day trading. Today, market is down about 4.3% there. On the S&P Nasdaq, 5.5%. Semiconductor close to 6% negative. Dow, Russell 2000 transport. These guys are down close to 4%. Banks, energy, biotech, healthcare, home builders, utilities, retail, emerging market. Every single sectors are bloody red day today. Bitcoin down quite heavily. Gold, silver, miners are also down. Dollar up. Oil down. Treasury bond flat. VIX popped. Let's stick with S&P 500 ETF. Spider! 65-minute chart here. So this is where we closed yesterday, and then we actually saw a significant down gap this morning. In that process, what happened was we gapped below yesterday's up gap, and with that, this entire thing here, yesterday's price action is now an island top reversal gap with this down gap here. Now with that down gap this morning, we're back below the micro term. We're back below my short term and the mid-term moving average. In one day, we broke below every single moving averages, and all the supports and all the up gaps are filled, right? You can see on that, first, second, third hour, but you can see the price is a little bit aware of that mid-term moving average. You hung around there for about 3 hours or so, but once we lost that level, that downturn continued to the downside, closing that day at 393. So things are looking extremely hectic here for the buyers. Let's zoom out here, and I want to kind of get a bigger picture of things. As you can see, first of all, this is probably the only hope for the buyers. We have that horizontal pivot. That's a prior support, resistance, support, and this is where we bottomed here in early part of this month when we did see a huge downturn. You can see right here. So that 389, 390 level is an important pivot that bulls must hold if they want to survive this month. Not to mention, we got the rising uptrend support right here. And, conveniently, we are holding right above that level as of today. So that 390, 386 vicinity is going to be served as an important pivot for both bulls and bears. Because obviously, if you're a bear here and you're looking for much lower prices, you got to make sure to break below that uptrend support and the horizontal pivot and start filling these up gaps to completely dismantle any kind of this momentum that bulls have built here since mid-June when they bottomed here at 360, right? And if you're a buyer here and you're desperately seeking higher prices, you must hold 390, 386 with all your might and make sure to protect these up gaps here as much as you can. If you want to find any kind of chances here, redeeming chances to recover from this horrendous price action that boss bears have performed today. Check out that oscillator. So you can see the oscillator completely tanked after we hit that overbought level yesterday. Keep in mind though, I wanna be fair here. So we did see these kind of price action before, haven't we? Right? In early July and mid-July, we did see this big downturn before, right? What happened was though, in those big downturns we saw in July, similar to what we're seeing today, is that bears failed to bring that oscillator all the way to the bottom of its band. We talked about this before, and that's showing weakness on bear's part. Or they used all their energy for one day move that bulls came back in and took advantage of the situation. So right now you can see that oscillator is here. It's similar price, similar places to where it happened. Bears must bring that oscillator all the way to the bottom of its band if they do not want to see a price action like this. You can see right here. See this? This is crucial because we're hanging around in this rising uptrend support here, going all the way back to June. And that pivot at 389, 386. This is a very, very important level. So keep in mind, there's gonna be a lot of up and downs, and a lot of battle might happen, as you can see right here. See right there and here. You see there's a lot of down gaps and up moves, down moves, shenanigans before actually found any kind of traction. But in that entire time, bears failed to bring that oscillator all the way to the bottom of its band. Again, if bears want to see lower prices, you must bring that oscillator all the way to the bottom of its band. If bulls want to find any kind of momentum, gather momentum, and recover from this move, from today's violent bearish move, buyers gotta find a way to find support, get the price sideways, or whatever you do, make sure that oscillator is not hitting the bottom. It's not gonna come back for you. We'll reassess the situation. Enjoy your evening. We'll train tomorrow.